Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's okay, hope everyone's safe, hope everyone's saying their prayers and staying at home. Anyways, today, well, this video is gonna be a quarantine recipe attempt. As you will see with the type of ingredients I'm using, I don't really have much at home, but we're starting off with some chicken thighs that I've marinated, and the spices are going to be in the description box what I used. So what you want to do is pan fry the sides for about 2 minutes, and then you want to flip it over so you can get like a nice golden color. As you see at the end, it looks like really nice. After you fry them up on the sides, they're not going to be fully done yet, but you just want to take them out of the pan because then you're going to fry the onions and like the aubergines and make like a stock in the pan. So you take this out and then you put in your onions and your aubergines. You can put in some thyme, some salt, some black pepper, and you're just going to mix that up. Now, you're supposed to use more for this recipe. Like if you have tomatoes, if you have bell peppers, if you have broccoli, if you have other like vegetables at home, put those in. But honestly, this is as quarantine as it gets, because you're gonna see in a minute that I put in chili peppers, like 2 whole chili peppers into this. If you can handle spice, you can do that. If you can't, then maybe go for something that's a little bit more mild, but it really adds up to the flavor because I like spicy food anyway, so it really works. So then after, when you do that, you're just gonna put in some chicken stock. You can make the chicken stock from scratch if you can be bothered, to be fair, because we all have time. I took the last time I made this, well, the first time I made this, I took out the bones from the chicken thighs and then put them in a pot with some water, some onions, some garlic, some chillies, and like some other vegetables to make a stock, and then that's what I used. But this time I just used like a packaged stock cube. Yeah, and then you can add some more water if it's a bit too thick for you, because you want it to be a little bit thin, the juice initially, just because you need it to like cook through for the chicken. So you put that in, and then you put in some tangerines. I didn't have lemons, so my only citrus option was tangerines. It worked for me. So if you have lemons, use lemons, but I had tangerines, so I used those. So cover it and just leave it there for about 15 minutes and let it do what it does. And then the next part is cauliflower rice. Now this actually, I've never made this before until like a few days beforehand, and I was pleasantly surprised. But anyhow, started off with some onions, stir this up in a pot to sweat up a bit. Then I put in some salt and black pepper, put in some turmeric for some color, and then some ginger because, like, you know, you want some flavor. And I put in some alpro coconut milk. Stir that up, and then what you want to do is let the sauce oh, what is my voice? You want to let the stock for the cauliflower to kind of reduce a bit, and then put in the cauliflower. Now you can see here that I actually have a bit more like juice in the pot that I needed, because then I don't want it to be like oats consistency. So what I did was I strained out like the the excess cauliflower water stock thing, so then it's a little bit less mushy. I don't want mushy, well, cauliflower rice. And then I added some coconut shreds, some desiccated coconut, just for some texture and some extra coconut flavor. Stirred that up and just let it kind of steam together for a few minutes. The rest of the instructions and stuff will be in the description box. And then I just kind of left it there to do what it do. And then I moved on to the chicken to check on it, because, you know, we left the chicken on the hob. Guys, this meal was so good. Like, the chicken was juicy, succulent, and it's weight loss friendly as well, especially with the way quarantine is going, because waistline. But guys, I just want to say thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have a nice day.